Alright guys, so we're at the Malecon in Puerto Lopez. We just parked. We got this crazy dog up there just chilling on the balcony, doing his thing. And we're about to find some good food. So let's see what we can find to eat. ¿Qué tal? All these restaurants, that spot that we were just at, they had $1 encebollado. Only for $1. They're all just waiting for a bite of something. The second they see a fish, they're gonna swoop in. The second they see you slip up on some food, they're gonna swoop in. So these look like some nice little seafood restaurants right here. They got Cevicheria, Cafe Ballon, Vista del Mar. This seems like what I'm looking for. This is more along the lines of what I was thinking. We got ceviche de pulpo, ceviche mixto, jugo, vino micheladas. Alright guys, so it's getting late. Before we get food, we're gonna walk through this little fish market right here. It's right on the beach. They got meat market, fish market. That is a giant tuna. That thing is huge. That's so big. ¿Picudo? Ah.
Uno filete sin hueso, $3.50 la libra.
That's cool.
$3.50 la libra, the pound.
That's really good.
Medio kilo.
But we have nowhere to cook. Oh, wow.
Mire, camotillo.
Camatillo.
Aquí no hay más, ya los barcos ya pararon.
Ah. Cool.
Corneta, filete.
Filete de cornetita.
De corneta.
Trompeta, amiga, trompeta.
¿A cómo la libra, Bergoni? 3 libras $5, 3 libras 5.
Ah, cool.
It's another fish, I think.
Yeah.
It's only filete, only the meat.
Whoa, that's a cool looking fish.
¿Qué es este?
Aguja.
¿Y este de acá? Agujas también.
Esta es aguja, esta es picuda.
Ah, picuda.
Ah,
¿Y estos de acá?
Pargo.
Ah, pargo.
that's cool. Okay. Buenas tardes. Oh, that's really cool. Alright guys, so we're coming into the cevicheria. Buenas tardes. Alright, Nomad Nation, so we are at Vista del Mar. And we're gonna get ourselves some authentic Manabi seafood.
I want the camotillo.
So, which one? Frito or al vapor?
Frito.
Frito. So the camotillo. Alright guys, so instead of filling up from here, we're gonna get the camotillo frito. We're just gonna get one order of those and we're gonna share it and then keep walking and grab some food from some other spots too as we keep walking down.
Señor, y me da 2 cubiertos, pero por favor.
Esto está bien.
So guys, I ran to the bathroom real quick, and turns out the prices on the menu it's actually supposed to be cheaper. What we ordered for 10 bucks was only supposed to be 6 because someone else just paid 6 for it. So she went and asked them, and I think they were just jacking up the prices on us, tourist prices. So in Puerto Lopez and in the Yampe, be sure you check, make sure you're not getting ripped off on tourist prices. They thought you were agreeing though.
Yeah, they think that I am green.
Me, it makes sense, but... Alright guys, so we got the Comentillo frito right here. You can only really get it here in the coastal regions in Manabi and around that area. So, let's try it. It's really good. It's just fried fish. Not really too much flavor to it, except the lemon that you add on top. And then they give you all this. Just ketchup and mustard and pepper and hot sauce. Nothing too special, but it's good. What do you think about the flavor?
The good thing for me is that they only put, I think, that pepper and salt, no more. So you can taste the flavor.
Of the
because,
fish?
Yeah, sometimes they put a lot of things there and you
Can't really taste the fish.
can really taste the flavor of the fish. Yeah. Yeah, I like amarillo.
The fish is super juicy, has really good meat to it. And with that lime. So usually I'm not a huge fish eater because I'm not a big fan of like super fishy tasting seafood. But this doesn't have too much of that fishy taste to it. It actually, it's really good. We got the fish deboning master here. Even when we went to Tena, you were just like...
It's so easy.
Alright guys, so we got done with that seafood. It was okay, it was pretty good. The fact that they tried to rip us off for $10, that's still getting to me. So this city, it's been like everybody is trying to overcharge you, tourist prices. I haven't had that happen to me in Ecuador anywhere else except this city that I've came to. Everybody gives me a different price and gives her a different price. And then they get confused when we ask them why we got different prices. It's been happening with everybody. So even as far as parking, even as far as the parking lots, from the parking lots to the restaurants to the hotel, just to everything out here. But we're gonna make the best of it, and we're gonna keep having fun. We're not gonna let them change our mood.
It's a little different.
Gracias.
But it's a little different. I like also the frailes. It's different.
Yeah. Well, this is like this is more like a party beach. You can drink, you can eat, you can go in the water. You can take. Look at this. There's a rickshaw on the beach. The rickshaw driving on the beach. No, gracias. Gracias. Oh, there's more down that way. That looks cool.
That concern, the name of that concern, I'm licking your legs.
Gracias. There's 3 guys on that. 3 guys on 1 ATV. That's pretty cool.
Puerto Lopez.
Yes, here's the beach for Puerto Lopez. A lot of boats and ships. A lot of restaurants and drinking and people hanging out, walking. People playing volleyball in the water. Definitely a more fun atmosphere than Los Frailes for sure. So we're gonna chill here, grab a beer from Mar Azul, watch the sunset, and then we're gonna go back to the hotel. Alright guys, so this is Mar Azul. Octopus and shells, $6.
And also plantain.
Yeah, rico.
Plantain. It says $8 in the card, and I said okay, and he said, okay, I can give you 7, 6. Good, okay.
I swear, it's like that here everywhere. It's like everyone has gringo prices up, and then unless you're local, you're not gonna get a discount. Oh no.
Thank you for watching that video. Be sure to like and subscribe, hit that bell notification, and how about checking out this video, or this one?